Due to the recent Windows updates, it is required that Delivery Trust users uninstall and reinstall their Outlook plugin. Please follow these steps to go ahead and accomplish that successfully. To reinstall your Outlook add-in, begin by closing Outlook. In the search option in the toolbar, search for Control Panel. In the Control Panel, locate the Programs section and uninstall a program. From here, scroll down until you find the Delivery Trust Outlook add-in and select it and click Uninstall. Hit OK to confirm this action. The next step is to go to the File Explorer by locating the icon in the toolbar down below, or by right-clicking the icon in the bottom left and clicking File Explorer. You want to search for %, app data, %, in the File Explorer, easily done by copy and pasting. From here, you want to locate Delivery Trust and delete the file. You are now ready to reinstall the plugin. Back in the Identillect support section, in the Outlook add-in installation, there is a hyperlink to download the installer. Go ahead and download that file and run the executable. Now this new step we see is Windows Defenders with the recent updates saying that it does not know the file. Go ahead and click on More Info at the bottom of the text, followed by Run Anyway. The rest of the installation is business as usual. Go ahead and hit Next, and next on the next one, followed by Install. Once the file is finished installing, go ahead and open up Outlook, and it may prompt you to accept the terms and conditions, or it may go ahead and just ask you to log in, confirming your Delivery Trust credentials. Once you enter in your credentials, you should see the 3 green check marks followed by a notification that the installation has been completed successfully.